Yo, what's up guys, Yuka here, welcome back to another video guys. Today, this is another part 2 of the backtesting that we were doing yesterday, so October 2022, that's basically it. We have 21 days of the month remaining. I don't think we'll get it all out in this part just yet, because it's 21 days to go, so, but we'll see what we can do, and let's continue where we finished off. So we finished on a bullish ass trend, when a bullish ass trade after a liquidity sweep and 5-minute equilibrium kind of field, I believe, but it was more than 1 minute trade. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Very good trade. 1 to 7, 1 to 8 residual ratio, and let's keep going. Let's not lose too much time, and let's keep going. So we are in the S&P 500. I want to see Nasdaq just because Nasdaq smoking guys back. Okay, let's go. We are 11th of October. Let's go to Wednesday. I do believe Wednesday there's news. Let me check in 1 second. Let's just mark it open and let's keep time. Am I correct? Yeah, I'm correct. Let's go. Yeah, so basically, as you guys, if you didn't saw the first part, that's quite good. I don't know what I opened. News. Let me check if I'm recording. Okay, I am. If I wasn't, I'll be quite mad. Let's do United States. So Wednesday, nope. Wednesday there's nothing. We have news at Thursday. There's not much more, so let's not worry about it too much. Let's mark our draws on liquidity for the day. So we have these 4-hour highs right here, boom. We have these 4-hour highs right here, boom. These 4-hour highs right here, boom, and these 4-hour highs right here. Just for the draws on liquidity, I'm quite bullish. I would like to see a bearish SMT. Let me check if there's something else. We have these lows, these 4-hour lows on here. Are they equal lows? Probably, yep. Relative equal lows as well to the downside. Don't forget to mark both draws on liquidity. So what I would like to see, not for today, but I would like to see some kind of manipulation to the upside before we move lower to these relative equal lows. That's pretty much what I want to see. It's 4-hour lows and this data, these 1-hour lows as well. Let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour lows right here, boom, just be swept. These 1 hour highs, boom, and these 1 hour highs. I do believe we are creating a bearish SMT right here. Probably, most likely. Holy moly. Let me mark it open. Fuck. Against my soul. I don't know if I'll do the rest of the month together or if I'll do one more part. 3 parts is crazy. Hello. I'm probably doing that. I'm probably doing 3 parts. Okay, this way, no bearish SMT here. I thought it was a bearish SMT right here, but nope. It's pretty much because usually when we have 3 relative equal highs on one, it's very close. It's very easy to have basically a bearish SMT out of that, but we didn't. So let's mark New York session and Asian session. London session and Asian session opens. We sweep out London session lows. So we also sweep out. Not Asian session lows yet, but hopefully we do sweep out Asian session lows and then move higher to these 3 relative equal highs. That's my goal for the day. That's basically it. Let's go. Boom. Perfect. Let's go to 1 minute yet. I don't even care. Okay, we got inversor gap. We have already our first confirmation. Inversor gap right here. Boom. We also have these, not inversor gap, but now what I'm waiting for is a retracement into equilibrium order block, breaker block, whatever, or fair gap. We don't have order block, we are in it. We don't have breaker block, it's right upside here, so we don't equilibrium or fair gap to get filled. We have a retracement into fair value gap, but for me that's not really enough because yeah, I want to see some kind of lower retracement, which I don't think I'll get. Let's check. Nope, we are not getting it at the moment, which is quite a bit of a shame, but honestly, it's my plan, so I need to follow it. Let's check the Nasdaq smoking gas back. Pretty much similar bullshit that is going on. Like, I would like to see at least a retracement into, if you guys are not seeing this area gap or this other block, which we already got to the other block, honestly. So maybe I should have entered or a block, but more of a retracement. Come on, breaker block. I should have entered probably. Okay, nice. We are getting a better entry. If we get the reversal gap right here or a breakup structure, that will be fine. We're not getting it. Okay, breakup structure right here. I'm going to enter. I'm not liking the price action so far. Let's see what Nasdaq is doing. Okay, we are creating 5-minute bullish SMT for sure somewhere. No, not yet, but we are creating a divergence right here, and we could be creating a bullish SMT out of these lows, which is good. But yeah, we got a 1-minute break of structure right here. Is move up and move down. That's a high. We close a candle above that. For me, that's enough. I'm going to put my stop loss right here, my first and my take profits right here on these 3 triple targets. And actually, I'm going to target these, but I'm closing the majority right here. Let's say 5-minute highs. I'm going to close some partials at this high. I should be closing some partials at this high as well. Okay, but I'll probably put it at break even right here and then close some partials there because it's low resistance, low time frame liquidity. So it should be both should be swiped at the same time, hopefully. Let's save. Fuck, I messed up the risk. I put 0.70 instead of 0.30, so let's put 0.2 more. Boom. This should be enough. Let's go. Can you stop that? Yep. Okay, let's check out again. Let's check again. I think we are okay. We are still bullish. Just should have placed my stop loss a little bit below, at least in this level gap candle, and that maybe will be fine. Yeah. Okay, so let's enter again. This time my stop loss, I'll put it below this low and target the same highs again. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just stop loss badly placed there. Fucking hell. This is a lot of risk for a day, but honestly, I'm in, so I don't give a shit. Stop out again, it'll be crazy, bro. Stop out again, will be crazy. Not yet, but almost. We'll get stopped out probably. No? Just edge, bro. Crazy. Holy shit, what is price doing? Honestly, holy shit. Consolidation paradise. We don't even need take profit one yet. We will wait probably on this candle. Not yet. Okay, so 3 relative equal highs there. Okay, I forgot to put it break even and forgot to take partials as well, but I'm going to put break even right now for you guys to see. And stop out. Not yet. Nice. We are not stopped out yet. We got, yeah, okay, we got stopped out there. Okay, should have taken some partials here. Forgot to take just because this candle went up and then I clicked again and it went down just so quickly. But yeah, should have taken some partials there and would have eaten a little bit of my losses, but really shitty ass price action today. Look at this, just consolidation. You know, this is on the 15 minutes should look super ugly, or 30 minutes. Yeah, look at this shit. You know, even in 1 hour it will look mega ugly. Yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, lost I think 500 with that. Yeah, lost 500 with that. It's okay. Let's go to the next day. Whoa, let's see if we create a bullish SMT out of it. This price action is so ugly, can't read shit. Yeah, it's just sideways. It is what it is. Today there is news, I think, so it should be fine. Thursday. I'm checking also the time, guys, because market will open not soon, but pretty much soon. 1 hour. Let's go a little bit ahead. Let's go 30 minutes. Market open 250. Okay, this will be interesting. Holy shit. Holy shit. Was that news? That was news for sure. Yeah, we have news on Friday as well at 3, so we need to trade after 3 or before, but luckily after. Okay, so this is consumer sentiment going out. Holy shit, bro. Holy shit. I don't think I'll trade today. Let's see what we swept. Let's go to the daily time frame. I can see, bro, like this is so far ahead, so far behind. Holy, what this was daily high, daily lows. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see if we get something in 4 hour more interesting than this. Daily lows. This was already swept. Okay, so we have one of these daily lows and these 4 hour lows, pretty much as liquidity to the downside. Oh, but where am I? Fuck. What the hell am I doing? 7 a.m., 11 a.m. Okay. For the upside throws, we have 4 hour highs, which we just created. We have these 4 hour highs and these 4 hour highs. That's pretty much it that we want to see. Low resistance at time frame liquidity. Do we create a bearish SMT out of it? Let me check. Yes, I do believe so. No. Okay. We don't create a bearish SMT. Bro, these charts look almost identical. It should be that way, but normally you have some kind of biggest divergence. This is a case of London session manipulation, New York session reversal, possibly. We don't have much more here. Let's see Nasdaq, smoking gas back. Let's see what we have right here. We want our ball back. 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 Yeah, let's go through it. 5 minute market opens in 5 minutes. And let's mark out this fair value gap, whatever, because it can be seen as an imbalance kind of field. But this was more of even Asian session was consolidation completely. So these are Asian session highs, Asian session lows, which were swept right on opening, but it is right here. These lows were swept right on market opening. So yeah, we want our ball back. We want our ball back. Honestly, if I'm trading bullish, I'm either being aggressive with retracement, which I don't think I will be, or I'm waiting for more confirmation on 5 minutes. But this is clearly a downtrend. So if I'm aggressive with the retracement, I need to be aggressive. So what I want to see, look at sell side liquidity get swept right on opening. We don't get it swept. Nice, we get it swept. So now I'm waiting for some kind of confirmation on confluence. So we got 79% extension right here, filled these highs up to these lows. Boom, 79% extension got disrespected. Now I'm waiting for a retracement into equilibrium, something, order block, breaker block. This is good. Honestly, now kind of reaction will be fine. A little bit more, please. Nice, this is good. This is super good. Of course, I wanted to enter on kind of reaction, but again, I'm a pussy. Take profits. This is not looking good. This is not looking good. I can tell you already. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. This is super unrealistic, but I'm going for it. Whatever. I don't give a shit. Let's put 300 risk, 350, whatever. Let's fucking go. These eyes should be looking fine, honestly. These eyes as take profit and those eyes as break even. I should be take parcels. Ugh. Let's put it break even. This is not a place to be put in break even, bro. Let's keep it. Let's keep it more. Let's keep the trade more. Nice. Now it's good. Break even here. Let's take some parcels. Like small fucking hell. Smallest parcels. 25. Sure. Don't give a shit. Nice. Looking good. Let's close 25%. Whatever. Let's keep it open until this equilibrium of fair value gap should be achievable. Hopefully. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. If we sweep out these eyes again, I'll close some more partials. Nice. Close some more partials. Boom. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. Nice. Very good. 25%. We're looking good on the PNL. Now, honestly, I'll just keep it open. If we get more, this is bonus. Wow, this is looking mega good. Honestly, mega good. Holy shit, this is looking mega good. Let's move my take profit a little bit higher. My stop loss, honestly. Right here. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. Nice. Full take profits hit. In a shitty ass trade, honestly. I wasn't expecting it to eat out my take profits, but nice, very good. I don't know how much money we made with that one, but we made a good amount of money. I think we are 52,000. We made more than $1,000 with 350 risk. Just goes to show, when you really trust your model and trust yourself, you can do a shit ton of money with it. So yeah, bro, what a shitty ass trade, honestly. Like the trade wasn't bad, but you guys saw. And it could be even better, if I enter on candle reaction, let's go through it. I wanted to enter on candle reaction, you guys remember? So candle reaction of this, so I won't probably enter one alone, but both, boom. 1 to 15 risk reward ratio, let's do the maths. 350 times, not 50,000 times, I don't know, times 10. $3,000, bro. Yeah, of course it was times 15, but I'll take some partials. But insane. This is a very good trade. Very good. I don't know how much money we made, but it doesn't really matter. Let's keep going. We want our ball back. 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 This is Thursday. On Friday, I think we have news at 3, so we need to wake up for that. tiny time. We want our wall break, we want our wall break, we want our wall break, we want our wall break. I don't know why that shit is in my head, bro. Too much TikTok nowadays. Delete that shit. Okay, so we're filling 4 hour for the gap, boom. For Joe's liquidity, boom. Okay, so for Joe's liquidity, we have these 4 hour highs, boom, right there. 4 hour lows, boom, right there. 4 hour for the gap, boom, right there. This is so good, man. Backtesting is so good because it makes you trust your model way more, you know? You know your model works, but seeing it actually work just plays off usual on your confidence in trading. And in trading, confidence is pretty much key. Let's mark these after. We want our ball back, we want our ball back, we want our ball back. London session open, Asian session open, right here. Asian session low got swept on New York session, one session manipulation reversal. Should be New York session continuation, but rather these 1 hour highs of Asian session highs, so I'm not so sure, but we could be doing that. I just not so sure. We'll see. Let's see if we have any SMT. That will be mega. Clear drawings. I don't think we have 1 hour highs. What is this? We're super low. Super 4 hours. We're super low on the Nasdaq. Compared to the S&P. On the S&P we are already in this 4 hour for the gap. Nasdaq is down here. So we could be creating a bearish SMT out of these highs and these highs. Possibly. Not now. Not saying that it will happen on Friday. Right now. But it will probably happen any other stage. What day are we? 14? 14. I don't think I'll trade today. Just because, you know, again, if the daily profile that we are seeing is London session manipulation reversal, New York session continuation, I would like to see at least some 5-minute lows get swept before we move higher, and these 5-minute lows are right here, down here. So yeah, like unless we sweep them out, which what the fuck is this kind of gap? It's the news. Nice, I forgot the news. Okay, so now we sweep out these lows, these lows, these lows, these lows, Asian session, London session lows, also these lows. No, let's check the Nasdaq if it did the same. Yeah, pretty much the same. So now I'm willing to enter out of 1 minute aggressive entries just like we did before. We got the breakout structure already. Let's check Nasdaq as well. This could be interesting. Nasdaq is not moving much. Yes, it's not as well. Okay, boom, big candle down. We are now filling February gap. I think it's 4 hour February gap. So it should give us some bullish price action. Nope. Okay, breakout structure. This could be looking good. This could be looking good. Let's go. Okay, now onto retracement into February gap. Right here, we got it. Let's check this Nasdaq if we're not creating like some bearish SMT or some bullshit. Maybe we are, but I don't give a shit. Let's check the 1 hour. The draws on liquidity. This is a 4 hour failure gap, I guess. Yep, 4 hour failure gap. 1 hour, we don't have a failure gap. We have this other block though, which we are feeling, just starting to feel. Let's go aggressive with it. Let's do the same thing we did on yesterday's trade. Let's wait for a breakout structure. We get it right here, boom. Enter on that pitch. Stop loss safe will be down below this low, but I think I'll put it below this failure gap low just because it's more aggressive entry. So I should put my stop loss aggressive as well. Take profit on this, which is a little bit unrealistic, but we'll be taking purchases anyways towards that. So I shouldn't be too worried about it. This new side, boom. I'll take it on these 5-minute highs, boom, just because they are low resistance, low time frame liquidity. So when one gets swept, both will probably get swept. This highs and then rest of it. It's looking good. Stop loss is a little bit too tight. Maybe I should put it a little bit bigger. Bigger. Should be fine. Yeah, should be fine. It's aggressive entry, so I don't give a shit. Let's put 350 risk on this. Boom. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. No. No. Bro, we got swept. Okay, we'll get stop out anyway, so no cry. Baby, don't cry. The urge to enter again is insane. Is this a breakup fracture? If this is... Okay, let's enter. Let's give a shit. Revenge trading, final loss. Let's go. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. Where am I entering again? When you go to 1 minute, sometimes you lose. That's why you need to enter again. Revenge trade, final loss. What your number one goal in trading is not win, not lose. Not win is crazy. Come on, bro. We'll lose again. We'll lose again. No. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. Lost. Boom. Okay. Lost 2 trades again. What happened? I don't know. I don't know. Let's check. We don't create a bearish SMT out of it. We don't create anything. We fill in this parallel gap, which should be, honestly, I should be looking at it. This 5-minute parallel gap. We fill it at equilibrium perfectly, and then we move low. we move lower out of that. So on my first trade, maybe I should have put a stop loss there, but on my second trade at least, but my break even there. But I don't think that was the issue really. Just consolidation. Same thing happened on the other thing again. When you have that huge of news, you shouldn't even trade on that day. But yeah, lost $700, so it's okay. Let's go for the next day. Let's check just if there's enough. There's something. No, there's not much. Let's just put the draws back in. What draws on quit do we have to downside? Did we add anything? These are those. I forgot to mark them out. Yeah, when looking at draws on liquidity, should I was looking. No, we didn't have these swallows. Well, I don't get it then. I guess price was feeling more of this. Okay, where's the continuation? Oh, this was a day to not trade, honestly. Not when you don't have clear bias, you shouldn't trade. Just it. Let's go next day. That's not quite too much. It is what it is. Things happen, shit happens. You learn from it and you improve from it. You don't cry over it, otherwise you'll not really improve. You'll just cry. We want our ball back. 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 Thank you. So we have 20 minutes until market open. So I think I'll do one more day of trading, and then I'll go to the real markets and day trade there. And then I'll post you if I took a trade or not. I'm honestly not feeling like to take a trade. I'm not really wanted to trade today. Again, just having the right mentality. People, when you guys want to force the trades, is probably when you guys will lose the most. So, yeah, that's something I learned in the last few times. You know, like when you go to the markets with the mentality, I don't want to trade today. It's the best, really. It should be harder for you to take a trade than to not take a trade. That's really the main thing that you guys should be learning. It's true. Like, go to the market with mentality, I don't want to trade today. It's the best, bro. Because then you'll only take a trade if it's really good. On the other hand, you know, you'll be taking shitty ass trades when they are not good enough. So, yeah. That's pretty much it. 23. I don't like the S&P 500 at the moment. Not like it's the same shit, so... what's my daily profile for the day? What the fuck am I doing, bro? We want our ball back. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. We have London lows, boom. We have Asian highs that got swept, but we did not get we got a reaction out of it, but not much. It was more of a continuation out of the Asian session move, trend up. Now, what are we targeting to the upside? That's the thing, bro. I don't have anything to target. I don't even know what is this, bro. This is a gap. So you should be targeting that. And honestly, not much. If I can target it, bro. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. We are filling in this huge 1 hour parallel gap. We are currently in an uptrend. What I would like to see, market open, is, I don't even know what I want to see, bro. Create a bullish SMT out of these lows. Out of these lows, we create a bullish SMT right here. Nasdaq does not sweep out these lows, while ES sweeps out those lows right here. Boom. These 5-minute lows. That's what I was looking at to be swept on market opening, but we do not have it. So if we are targeting this weekly gap, I want to see some kind of manipulation to the downside before the market opens, or on market open. We do not carry that. Okay, we are filling this new week opening gap. I don't think it's new week opening gap. Nope, it's news opening gap. That could be drawn liquidity that we can target after we move lower, before we move lower. But I would like to see some kind of confirmation. What do we have right here? Nothing. Holy shit, bro. I'm tired of moving this shit. We don't have even much unless this we just have this 1 hour parallel gap, which can be a key level as well on this case to reverse, but I'm not so sure. Let's check 4 hours. We're bullish on 4 hour, not bullish yet because we haven't broken structure, but we are bullish on 1 hour. This is high time frame resistance. I don't think we'll get that now. I don't think we'll get here to these 1 hour highs without sweeping out some liquidity to the downside first. At least low time frame liquidity. That's really my thought. So yeah, let's see what we get. Hopefully we get some kind of reaction. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. If we get some kind of candle reaction now to the downside, that will be good. Okay, so this is, for me, is good. Of course, very low risk trade. Why am I taking this trade? Crazy trade, honestly. But I'm taking super low risk with this shit and should be fine, honestly. Targeting all this bullshit. Should be fine. And honestly, I'm putting less than this risk. 0.70, a little bit higher. Holy moly, this is bro. 0.7, 0.6. Yeah, should be fine. 0.6 risk. So the lowest risk I've ever used. Let's see what happens. I'll probably get swapped out. Okay, nice. So I get. I don't even know where to take partials on this bullshit because such a bullshit ass trade. Equilibrium for sure. This equilibrium of this 5 minutes equilibrium should be where I take partials. If we get there, of course. Holy moly, it's not looking good. Oh, quite so bad. Okay. Just aggressive entry, you know, aggressive entries sometimes don't pay off. Didn't pay off in this case, so yeah. Yeah, just not a way to trade. Again, I've been saying sometimes it's better to be out of the markets to be in than being in the markets, and I do this bullshit. Look at this price action. What a beautiful price action. I'm joking, obviously. Consolidation paradise. We didn't have much though. It's fermentized. The only thing that we had that we could have looked at is these new data highs that could have checked. We did not sweep them out, so it was probably that we were going higher to sweep them out, then move lower after that. It was exactly what happened, but I don't think we'll get an entry. Liquidity sweep right here, we got a backup structure right here, boom. I don't think we get much of an entry otherwise. Yep, not much of an entry, so of course we get a retracement right here, but it's not even a 5 minute retracement, I think. Nope. Maybe it is. Okay, we have a retracement to do this 5 minute parallel gap right here. Then afterwards I'm looking for a backup structure and parallel gap, a 79% extension of Fibonacci. We get backup structure right down here. After the consolidation we enter on that, honestly, and I'm putting stop loss right here, and then yeah, not the greatest risk to reward ratio, 1-to-1, first take profit. So yeah, of course, and the rest will be 1-to-2, not best risk to reward ratio, of course, aggressive entry, so it could have paid off, but yeah, it is what it is. Not too sad about it. Let's go to the next day. Hopefully a win, last trade. That's what I wanted to be, because I have market open in 15 minutes, so I should be looking at it right now. It's 18, bro. Like, come on. How long is this video? 28 minutes. Yeah, this part will be super long, but I think I can finish up on this video. If I'll not be doing 3 parts of backtesting. That is way too long. I'm doing 2 videos, and this part will have the first part and second part as well. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. We want our ball back. For the gap, we're feeling. Yep, nice. Okay, so that's what I've been saying. If you guys don't remember last week on the backtesting, I said we were creating some kind of bearish S&T, or at least for our highs, because Nasdaq was just fucking hell, bro. Was just so low, and yes, was just so high. Exactly, that is exactly happening right now. So let's mark market open on Nasdaq. I want to trade the lagging index, the leading index. Sorry guys, we are not. Yep, that's pretty much it. Not much more to say. In terms of draws on liquidity to the downside, 1 hour low, 1 hour low, 1 hour low, 1 hour low, new week opening gap, boom, right here, boom, 1 hour low, boom, and 1 hour low right here, boom, 1 hour low, multi. This is looking so juicy. This lows to the downside, boom, 1 hour low, boom, 1 hour low, boom, 1 hour low, boom, I'm taking full partials, full take profits on this, and it will probably allocate it, hopefully. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm to the Nasdaq. Let's go. Market open, let's go market open, and let's see. I don't even need to see much more, honestly. I want to see some kind of liquidity getting swept. Pre-market, we get it, boom. Now I'm honestly going to execute. Let's go for 5 minutes, honestly. I want to see 5 minute break of structure. We don't get that. We get 79% extension though. Let's see if we get equilibrium, get a field on 5 minutes. That will be fine. That will be fire. Please. Please. Okay. No, I need to be patient. Fucking hell, bro. Come on, man. Give me a good equilibrium. Get a field or a fair value gap entry. That's fine. That's fine. Fair value gap entry on 5 minutes. That's fine for me. Break of structure, did you got that? Yeah, I got break of structure. Let's wait for more confirmation. Okay. Nice. This is good. This is good. This is honestly so good. This is so good. Okay. Let's go for it. Okay. We can target this stop loss. Quite a big peak. But it is what it is. Let's target this, all this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the rich millionaire. Rich millionaire vibes. I think we'll get stopped out. Let's put them these eyes. Boom. 500 risk, 1%. Finally, boom. Let's visit the beach. For the beat. For the beat. For the beat. For the beat. Come on, bro. Come on. Nice. Let's fucking go. First take profit hit. Let's close some partials. I'm going to close so little partials to that. Not right now. 10. This is bullshit, bro. Let's close like the little amount of partials I can. You know, I want to put it a break even. Now let's keep going. And I'm closing some big ass partials now here. Now here I can close 25%. Now this is good, you know, like this is a trade we want to take. What else do we have? Honestly, I'm closing more, a little bit more, just to be safe. And yeah, let's keep the trade running. Taking some more partials here. No, I should not. Should I? Should not. Nah, let's keep it running. Nice, this is very good. What a candle. Let's go. I'm closing 50% of the position now. Boom. And I'm letting, bro, this is not even, bro, like I'm taking the majority of partials. I'm gonna need it. Taking some more partials here. 25%. Boom. This is a banger trade, bro. Let's keep going. I'm probably closing everything. Nah, I don't give a shit, honestly. Let's keep it running. If I get stopped at break even, it is what it is. Yeah, stop at break even. It is what it is. It is already 9 PM, so I should have closed it. But good trade, honestly, good trade. Did we sweep out these lows before moving higher? No, we created relatively lows, so I don't think I'll change it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I made, I don't know, this trade was very good. I don't know the risk reward ratio. It was 1-4, not the best again, but with good trade management, honestly, and was able to make a shit ton of money off that. Let's go and see. We're not looking that different from what we were on the last video, 3.8k up, but it's good. We could have made way more, of course, if I closed more of the position there in my trade, but yeah, 14 trades, 46% win rate. Honestly, not great. It's horrible. I need to improve on that, but the risk to reward ratio has been good. 2 minimum, max was 4.14, ideal was 14. Okay, good. 6 wins, 7 losses. That's crazy, bro. Check the stats. Check the stats, guys. Like you see, I lose, yes, but when you keep your losses small, your losses small, when you win, you actually win a shit ton. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this part, and I'll record. Yo, what's up, guys? Juka here. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today, less video, less part, same video exactly, but second part of the second part video and the final part of day trading. Backtesting the month of October 2022, and let's go through it. So we have 14 days remaining, which is a lot of time. Let's see if we can make it all before market opens. Let's see. Let's go into it. If you guys don't remember last stats, we were positive, yeah, $3,800. Let's see what we can do up till the end of it. So let's go. Move drawings and let's keep starting. First of all, we market open, so at 250, 230 in this case, right here. Yep, let's keep into it. Yeah, if you guys are enjoying this type of content, make sure to, of course, tell me so that I can make more in the future. Otherwise, I'll be backtesting for myself. instead of doing it on YouTube, because yeah, it takes a little bit more time, and while I'm backtesting for myself, I can listen to podcasts and anything of trading and mentality of trading, psychology, mainly. Yeah, we are marking, if you guys are new to this, but you probably are new because I'm new because this is the second part of the video. Marking session highs, 4 hour highs and 4 hour lows, session highs and session lows. We'll mark in a bit. Let's just mark the session opens, London session open and Asian session open. Right here we have Asian session high, already marked down. We have Asian low, but it's already been swept, doesn't really matter. We have London high, and then we have London low, which we swept down. We also have these 1 hour lows and relative equal lows, which are our strongest draw for liquidity at the moment, if it is not an SMT, which is not an SMT, nice. And pretty much same thing here on ES. Let's just mark this low, just to see if, okay, it has been swept, nice. We could be creating a bullish SMT out of this low getting swept right here on S&P 500. I can show you guys this 1 hour low getting swept right here, and on Nasdaq it has not been swept yet. So if it doesn't get swept, nice, we are bullish, right on market open. All I want to see is some kind of manipulation to the downside before we move higher. We don't get it. Okay, so let's see if we can feel some sort of order block, breaker block. It's actually this one, boom, right here, order block, the breaker, right here. If you can feel this and get some bullish action out of it, that will be cool. Nice, we are feeling it. Okay, so now I'm waiting for inverse level gap, breakup structure, something like that. 79, this is good. Okay, we got a breakup structure right here on this candle. Right here on this high, we also get 79% extension a little bit earlier, I think. Oh, sorry, this is not a 79% Fibonacci extension. Let's check right here, 79. Okay, it's in the same candle, so not to worry. Inverse level gap, it's all the way up here, which also got invalidated. But yeah, pretty much our confirmation confluences have been done. So we put our stop loss below these lows. We can put it below these lows. We'll check in a while. Let's first check our targets, and then we check the risk to reward ratio. Which is something I like to do. We have family highs, should be fun. Let's see what other draws we have on liquidity for the day. Okay, let's see. These draws are super close. Okay, so these are one of the strongest draws for the day. Boom, right here. So let's make that shit happen. Boom. Okay. So our ratio is not the best, really. Let me check. It's horrible. It's horrible with our ratio. Let's tighten up the stop loss a little bit. Maybe below these lows should be fine. Risk 1% on this bitch. Boom. I'm going to take partials on this one. We'll 5 minutes, whatever. And we are getting stopped out. Nope. Nice. Oh, okay. I forgot to take partials, but I'll put it to break even. I should have taken partials right here. I forgot. It's okay. If you forgot to stop at break even, it's okay. Nice. Let's take some partials. I'm honestly going to close like 15% of the position. Not much, but not a lot, you know, because we have these eyes which are more strong, and then we have these I can show you on 5 minutes. Low time frame, low resistance, liquidity deal, these equal highs. So I'm really confident that we are going to hit those eyes. So yeah, this is going to be a banger trade, honestly. No. Can't believe we are going to get stop break even before even hitting these eyes. Did you get a bearish SMT out of it? That could be happen. No, we did not. Okay, so we'll probably get stop break even. Yep. Nice. Come back. Now we're getting stopped. We're getting stopped for sure. Yep. We got stop break even. Only made $100 on this trade. That sucks a lot. How much was the risk to reward ratio? Like almost 1.2. But again, I stick to my rules. That's probably the most important thing. And yeah, if I stuck to it, I would have been stopped at stop loss. Yeah, a bit of a shame we didn't hit this 5 minute highs. I was really expecting to hit this 5 minute highs because we have all these low resistance, low time frame liquidity that we could potentially swept, and we didn't even sweep 1 hour high. So weird, but yeah, it is what it is. Let me check the trend. We are in a downtrend, yes. Maybe that explains it a bit, but don't know. Let me check. Yeah, pretty much. Bit of a shame, but yeah, stick to my rules. That's what matters most. So yeah, not too mad about it. Yeah, sometimes you know you don't. Sometimes you get stopped at break even like that. Only made $100 on the trade, but you know there are days which also you stick to your rules and you make a shit ton of money. So it's worth to stick to your rules no matter what. It's your model, so you need to follow it anyways. We'll check if there's news. Fuck, I opened the journal. Let's check that there's news. Just it's good to check in a while. Okay, so we have 40 minutes until market opens, so in real life. So I'm actually a bit of time. No impact, no impact. Doesn't worry me. Medium impact doesn't worry me. 27. Okay. It's still far away, and it's pre-market as well, so I don't give a shit. Let's go 5 minutes. Get closer to market open. This is good. Let's go to 4 hour now. Market has just liquidity. So we have 4 hours which we sweep out. We have these 4 hour lows. We have these 4 hour lows. Nope. Because we are forming that candle still, so it's not a 4 hour low yet. It's probably a 1 hour low. That's for sure. And we are bullish on the trend. We are feeling this 4 hour value gap. Fuck. Come on, bro. What's happening? I need to play Counter-Strike to get my aim steady. I'm joking. I don't play that shit. Not that shit. It's a cool game, but I'm too old for those games, for those types of games at least. Sweep out 1 hour highs. We have these 1 hour highs, and we have these 1 hour highs, relatively equal highs. So my bias, without looking at much, it's bullish. But let's look at S&P 500. If we get a bullish S&P, that will be mega. Let's market open. Why not? Right here. 1 hour highs right here. Fuck. On the S&P ski. And yeah, really, one piece of advice I can give to you guys is just go into the markets with the mentality that you do not want to trade. Okay, this was swept. And that mentality will just help you so much on the long term. Like, it's insane. Let's check if we create a bullish S&P out of somewhere. Nope, I think it's pretty much correlated. 4 hour highs. We sweep them out here as well. Okay. As market session opens, maybe that helps me a lot, but without looking at much, my bias is bullish. Even though we could have a bearish. No, I'm an idiot. Bearish 100%. We just did long session manipulation. We manipulate Asian highs, and not only that, these 1 hour highs, manipulation reversal, New York session continuation. Let me check. That's pretty much it. Manipulation reversal. I'm expecting now these highs to get swept, potentially filling this 5 minute order block and 5 minute breaker block. That's what I want to see. That's what I've been working for me. If we sweep out these 5 minute highs, I can mark it around, boom, and then potentially get into this order block, breaker block. Then I'm looking for the entry to the downside to hit those 3 targets that are both on the S&P and both on Nasdaq and S&P. More like that. So yeah, let's look into it. So hopefully we get a big ass candle to the upside. If we get to the downside, in fact, nice, GG. But this for me is not enough. Even though we sweep out some of liquidity, I want these eyes to get swept as well. So let's be patient. Nice. Okay. Now I want to see. Okay, so we get the confirmation. We get break of structure right here. Boom. Now I want to see some kind of continuation, but I would like to see more of the retracement up. I could enter on this candle alone. Very risky though. Let's wait on our candle. Okay, nice. Nice. Yeah, I'm glad I did not enter there. Nice. Okay, we are more into the order block, breaker block. I think we are validating everything. Nope, not yet. Okay, nice. We get not much. Okay, we validated everything now. Okay, let's see. SAPC. What are you doing? Where are the 1 hour highs and 1 hour lows? What the fuck are we doing? Okay, so we are creating a mega bearish SMT, I think. Yeah, we are creating a mega bearish SMT on these eyes. Right here. Getting swept on Nasdaq and not on the S&P ski. We are way down there. So I'm actually willing to trade on the S&P ski, just because of the SMT nature. Okay, so we got a breakup structure right here, boom. Out of liquidity sweep. Now I'm waiting for a continuation confluence. Okay, forget about it. Forget about it. Moving higher still. Set up. Holy shit. Okay, so we're sweeping everything. I don't know what's happening. I think we're moving to the moon. Yeah. Let's just check what happened. I was bullish, yes, but these lows, bro, come on. If there was an SMT out of these lows, is one thing. That we are feeling for our further gap as well, but like we haven't even felt the equilibrium of it. So yeah, we are targeting these highs and those probably those resistance lows. Yeah, possibly. Okay, let's see now if we get an entry. We don't get breakup structure yet, but we get reversal gap right here. Again, this is super risky. Counter trend trade. I wouldn't have taken it anyways. Yeah, like this is insanity. If we get a breakup structure, I'll enter. Yep. I'll go through the thought process before I enter. Just breakup structure right here on this candle. Boom. After that, we get a continuation confluence. We get a retracement into equilibrium. Boom. That's pretty much it. There is no order block. There's no breakup block. We are in it. There is no fair gap. just equilibrium entry. We get a breakout structure after that, boom, enter on that, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to be more aggressive with stop loss and with the entry, because this entry is a more aggressive entry, and I don't think it will lead as many take profits as I wanted to, but hopefully we get some of the take profits it before we get stop the break even, or a stop loss, which is even worse. So we have take profit 1 here on these lows, we have take profit 2 right here, then we have also these relatively close, boom, and these lows right here. These are my take profits basically, and yeah, let's see what happens. I want to put my stop loss just above here, just to be more safe. Yeah, what's my first take profit, here or down there? So here, ooh, I don't like this ratio, but let's go through it. 1% risk, too much, but whatever. I don't give a shit. We are fucked. Yeah, we're fucked. No, we are cooking. No, we are fucked. We are fucked. 100% we are fucked. Yeah, we are fucked. We got stopped out. Yep, by the week. Yeah, this is pretty much an aggressive, way aggressive trade that I took, and I should even I've taken it, to be honest. Like, the move for the day was already done. We got fucked by a tick, bro. We got fucked by a tick. That was basically a tick, you know. Like, if I put my stop loss a little bit bigger, we'll have it all take profits. Okay. Why? I want to check why. For me, there's always a reason. This size for that? No, you don't accept this size? Maybe? This size? Are you joking? Okay, I should have protected it a bit more, the trade. I guess it is what it is, you know. Just stop by the week, really. My bias was correct after that. Just a shame. Got stopped by the week. And now my take profits will never get it. Are you joking? Nah. Yes, maybe. Yes. All my take profits will never meet, so... just a shame, I got stopped by the week, bro. Just got stopped because I put my stop loss right here. I got stopped by the week. Holy moly. That's so unlucky. And then, like, because it's 4, I wouldn't even take a trade anymore. So, damn, bro. Like, I should have checked these highs that was super close and put my stop loss a little bit above. But god damn it, bro. God damn it. By the week, it's crazy, bro. Insane. Anyways, it is what it is. Not quite too much about it. Let's keep going. Yeah. But that's what's super unlucky. Just, yeah. Should have checked that we have very close highs there. Yeah, let's go to Friday 21. What time is it? Okay, so we still have like 15 to 20 minutes to go before I go to market open, because we are market open on real life, not on backtesting. So we need to, well, I need to look into it. And again, like, if you guys have enjoyed these videos, just make sure you comment on it and say you like these videos, even though I think it's quite boring to watch, but but it explains everything, really, the way I apply the things every single day, because I don't, you know, record myself live trading. I don't think that's very useful for me, at least, because, you know, I rather be watching a video of 10 minutes, 20 minutes of you know, what trade I took for the day, rather than what conditions are these, rather than just doing a video of like 1 hour or 2 hours of just live market open, me doing this, but in real time, you know, takes way longer. So if you guys want to learn, you know, like what trades I've been taking and everything, like, it's way easier for you to watch it's way easier for you guys to watch the trade recap rather than a live recap. So we create a bearish S&P out of these highs. This is pretty much London session manipulation reversal, or manipulation and New York session opens reversal out of it. That's what I'm watching at the moment, or at least I hope it is. There's not much. I think if I go to session open and session close, there's not really much I can see more. Fuck, I put it wrong. Right. Let's get 4 hours. There's not much otherwise that this 4 hour level gap that we are feeling currently, as draws on liquidity, as goals for potential take profit. So we could be reversing out of this 4 hour level gap, which is true. But I don't know. I think we'll have some kind of retracement downwards, even though there's not much liquidity. So yeah, for the day, I'm not really willing to take a trade, but let's see what we have. What do we have? I don't know. Like, this is not looking great at all. Looking at this, I'm bullish, because there's not liquidity to the downside. There's literally not much liquidity to the downside, while the upside we still have some liquidity. But we have to remember, bullish SMT is a bearish SMT is a bearish SMT. So we create a bearish SMT. So these draws on liquidity that I'm seeing on Nasdaq, they do not matter. So yeah, just Going to mark 5 minute confluences. There's not really much otherwise. Only 5 minutes equilibrium, to be honest, which we are already feeling, I think. Yeah, we're feeling. So, yeah, breakup structure and reversal gap should be enough for me to enter. Is this a breakup structure? Okay, I'll enter on this. Not liking the trade at all. I should be risking low, and I'm going to risk low. What's targets for this bullshit right here? I'll be risking low on this bitch. Place order. Place order. 70. Fuck it. I think we'll get manipulated on this, but I don't give a shit. Okay, let's. Okay, we should be fine. We are not fine. Okay, we sweep out more draws on KT. Now let's see what we have. Bro, I've been losing every trade I took today, you know? I've been losing every single trade that I took on this backtesting session. The fuck is happening? Where are we going? Bullish. The overall trend was bullish. Manipulated on reversed. So yeah, my bias should have been bullish really. Yeah. Yeah, bias was bullish for the day. I'm quite a bit of an idiot to not seeing this, but it is what it is. Let's see if we get some kind of entry to the downside to see if we get a retracement right here. But I don't think it will be worth it, honestly. I don't think I'm going to trade. Even if we get a breakup structure of this candle. Yeah, if I trade it was like this. And I think I'll get stopped anyways. But I'm not taking this trade. You know, yeah. Bro, it crashed. Yeah, stop lost. Yeah, okay. Because it's way too low. Now this will be a much better trade, but yeah, just not the time that I was going to trade. The bull fall day was really bullish. We get London session manipulation, reversal, New York session continuation. We're filling this 5 minute parallel gap. Boom, right here. We also sweep out 5 minute lows right on market open. That was continuation to the upside, especially on, even though we are creating this bearish S&T, we still draw some liquidity to the upside, and these 3 relative equal highs. On 5 minute low resistance, low time frame liquidity, and then on the high time frame we have these hourly highs, while to the downside we don't really have much other than we are feeling this 4 hour parallel gap, which is continuation confluence. So we are feeling 4 hour parallel gap. We'll probably move higher out of that. So quite a bit of a mistake from my side. Yeah, let's keep going. Let's not cry too much. It is what it is. Yeah, I'll take profits to let me need. It is what it is. Not quite much. Now is Monday, new week. Let's see what we can do. So I don't know how many trades we have done on this second part of the video, but I think we have done like 4 or 3 trades. One that I should have won, I didn't, or I won break even. Another that I got stopped by a week, and now this one that I got stopped again. Yeah, this is pretty much for Johnson KT. Okay, we are bullish. We are bullish, 1,000,000% bullish. We are feeling 4 hour parallel gap, boom, right here as well. Again, I'm bullish, 1,000,000%. I don't even need to look at daily profiles. S&P 400. 4 hour highs. Okay, we create a bearish S&T of it, but I don't think it's. Is it important? No, we still have these are 4 hour highs. Okay, we are bullish for the day. We are bullish on 4 hour. We are bullish on the 1 hour. We long session we manipulated the Asian session lows and reversed out of it. I'm expecting New York session continue to this 3 relative equal highs at least. I want to see some manipulation on 5 minute to the downside. That's what I like to see. Nice, that is completely perfect. I would like to see some retracement to order block, breaker block on this 5 minute. That would be cool. Okay, we are just feeling that. So continuation confluences, just right. We're also feeling, of course, 5 minute 5 value gaps, maybe, but I'm on a minute. I'm on 1 minute. Now I'm looking for this basically, and I'm full port in the B, full port a B. Risk reward ratio is not the best. Let's put it tight. Okay, if I get shot, I'm an idiot, but if I win, I'm a hero. So I don't give a shit too much. 1%. Boom. 5 minutes. What we have? We have these 5 minute highs, boom. We have these 5 minute highs, which are probably more important, and then those are the highs. So, yeah, let's get going. Hopefully, we don't get stopped by break even again. Holy shit, we're getting stopped. Oh, we didn't. Break even the shit. Break even this bitch. Break even this bitch. I should take partials, but I don't give a shit. I should have taken partials. I should have taken partials. Okay, we'll have again stopped. So I should have taken partials there. I don't even know the risk to reward ratio that was there, let's say. I think it's a negative one. Yeah, it's a negative one. I wouldn't have taken because we have so much draws on liquidity right here. So at least these eyes would have taken partials, but I want to take partials on these eyes. But yeah, we protected the trade, so not to worry about it. Let's see what price is doing. I think we are just feeling more of the fair value gap before we move higher. So you got, if I want to trade again, I'm trading on the 5 minutes. So 5 minute break of structure right here, boom. Now I'm waiting for a retracement into order block, break a block, order block, break a block, or fair value gap, or equilibrium, whatever. I'm marking everything. So let's go to 1 minute. Let's see if we get something. Nice, we are getting something. Can you get something? Market, nice, I guess. No, I do not want to enter on this, bro. I do not want to enter on this. Same targets, pretty much. Even better risk to reward ratio. I don't think the stop losses were correct, but this stop loss is way too big. But I don't give a shit. Let's go with it. Fuck it. Let's go. Bro. Consolidation paradise. Honestly, I think I should close everything, to be honest. But let's keep going. What is price doing, bro? Okay, so let's put our trade to break even. At this stage, we are just sweeping these eyes. So yeah, let's see if we can take profit one. We don't hit it yet. Nice, we hit it now. Let's close some of my position. 25%. Yeah, sure, why not? Now, on these eyes, it's where I'm going to take majority of my profits. If we get there, I hope you get before you get stopped at break even. This is a super late trade. What time is it? 8 p.m. bro. This is insane. Come on, bro. Eat those shit, bro. This is already a new session. Come on, bro. Sweep out these eyes. This is way too late into the day. I'm going to close all my position because it's way too late into the day. Like it's 23. It's 1 a.m. so I should have closed it even earlier. The reality is when a new session opens, you should close all your position because new session opens, new money comes into the market, new algorithms come into the market. So it will probably manipulate either the highs or the lows of the previous session. So you'll probably get stopped. This didn't happen right now for the moment, but eventually I think it will happen. So yep. Oh, I forgot. This was market open. I forgot. We lost market open on this one, guys. So basically, yeah, we lost market open on this one, but we didn't lose much, I think. Let's mark it down and keep going. I skipped so much. We lost market open on that one. Yeah, let's keep going. So we have these 4-hour highs right here, boom. These 4-hour highs right here. New session highs actually, not 4-hour highs. Don't have really much unless I go to the SMP ski and see a SMT. We are fucked, honestly. We are completely fucked. Maybe we are not fucked. Okay, so all I see is this bearish SMT, which we could be farming. Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But before that, I want to see if we get some kind of... Okay, we could be getting a bearish SMT of these highs. And then we can target all these low resistance, low time frame liquidity. This 1 hour lows, this 1 hour lows, boom. This 1 hour lows, boom. This is more high resistance, but this is final take profit down here. Let's see what we have. So if I'm willing to take a trade here, I'm going to take it on the 5 minute, that's for sure. Okay, so we got 5 minute break of structure, boom, ready, boom. Now let's mark our confluences. We don't really have much, to be honest. Order block, break a block, quite a bit of a mess. So equilibrium is the only thing I can mark down if I think that way. Is this better? Is this good? Let's go to a minute. Let's see if we feel equilibrium at least. Nice. we're thinking equilibrium. Now all I'm waiting for is a 1 minute break of pressure, reversal gap, 79% extension. But I like the most is break of structure. We get move down, move up, that's a low. We get break of structure right here, boom, enter a beach, full body beat, full body beat, full body beat, full body beat, full body beat. I should put my stop right here, but it's a bit big, but whatever. Let's go with the flow. I don't think we'll move as low as these lows, but a man can dream. Let's check this farewell gap. Holy moly, let's check this farewell gap. What day is it? 25? Okay, so almost finishing. I think we'll finish it before. Yeah, this is my first take profit. I should put my stop loss tighter, but it's already too tight, so I'm happy with it. 1 to 7 Surya ratio. This is a more aggressive trade than what I'm usually after. So if I get stopped, this is completely normal. Yeah, this is a way aggressive trade, and I put way too much risk on this pitch, honestly. Yeah, will it those equalize? Don't know. What time is this? Yeah, this is. I took a trade actually at the time that I shouldn't even trade. It's 4 p.m. so I shouldn't even take this trade. Just big mistake on my side. Didn't check that shit. Okay, what the fuck? Yeah, let's go. I don't even know what I'm doing. Let's go. Next session. We have 4 more days before the session closes, so let's go through it a little bit quicker than normal. Just to finish the shit. Bro, this video is pretty much a break-even video. I didn't even make any money, I think. I made 3.8k in the first week of the month, and now I'm break-even. Of course, many trades were my mistake. Like that trade that I got stopped at break-even, but that trade that I got stopped at break-even, for example. Also the other trade that I could have made was shit ton of money, and I got stopped by the tick. And then also the other trades which were way too aggressive. But let's go to it. Let's stick to our model. Let's see what I can do. I actually missed this one. 8 AM and 23. Boom. Let's go to 4 hour and see what is our daily bias. So we sweep out these 4 hour lows, 4 hour lows, 4 hour lows. Is this swept? No. Nope. So we create relative equal lows down here unless we create a bullish S&T out of these lows on the S&P ski. Let's check. What the fuck? We do not create a bullish S&T out of this. I think, let's check. Looks super different. Yeah, we do not. We also create a bullish S&T out of these lows, honestly, because we sweep out these lows on here and not on yes. It's 1 hour lows, boom. We are sweeping them out. And then we have these 1 hour highs. So market opens, we are sweeping out these 5 minute lows, also these 1 hour lows. So right now I'm actually expecting a reversal out of it. Let's check just the 1 hour draws. We have these relative equal lows, but we also have draws to the upside. So depends what market is on opening, to be honest. Are we getting a bearish S&T out of somewhere? We are getting a bearish S&T right here. So bias could be bullish, potentially. Right here, we're getting a bullish S&T. We see about these hour lows right here, but not on yes. Quite tough. But we do sweep out these highs as well on yes, right here, but not on NQ. So this could be either one's game, to be honest. Yeah, this could be bearish, this could be bullish. I think potentially we are bearish. Let's see. If we get a manipulation to the upside on 5 minutes once market opens, I'm looking for sells. If we get a bearish, only okay, just sweeps out one of the key targets, so potentially bullish on this one. Yeah, that's enough for me, to be honest. What I took a trade from, we got a inverse parallel gap right here, boom. We got a retracement into equilibrium, also this tiny 1 minute parallel gap, and then we got a break of structure of it, and target which and target is this size. Shit, yes, this will ratio. I'm honestly tightening it up a little bit. Holy moly, do we have more draws on liquidity? We have, so I can target this size just because, just to look better on the picture. Because the ratio was complete bullshit. I should put it right here to give me a better, but I'm honestly putting it below this kind of weak. And yeah, 1% risk, let's go do with it. Okay, stopped again, that's insane. No, not yet, we can fight now. I should put it to break even. I didn't put because we haven't hit everything. Come on, roll. Nice. Oh, this is this is way less money than I thought it was be. But yeah, it makes sense because it's a 1-to-1. 25%? Sure. This is not a lot of money. Let's close 25 more %. This is not a lot of money, bro. Let's go to 5 minutes. Let's see what you have. 5 minute eyes right here. I'm going to close more of the position there, and then I'm going to keep it open. Nice. Okay, let's close 50%, 25% of the position here, and then let's keep it running. Let's close 50% right here, or 75? Nah, 50%, and then let's keep it the rest running to hopefully take profits. Stop the break even. So okay, nice. Yeah, that was a good trade. Not the best, of course, but not bad either. So I could have closed more on this 5 minute order block, breaker block, yes, but yeah, I wanted to try my luck. Not try my luck, but at least hit those targets on the 1 hour highs. But will it hit probably? Were we creating a bearish S&P? I think so. Yeah, we were super high here on the S&P ski, and on Nasdaq we were not. So really, one key thing to see is see always the high time frame targets. Like I know we have these targets to the upside, so the high time frame targets are really the most important thing, and then the entry is not really much important. That's why you guys see me sometimes, seeing this entry like not even explaining it much, because I know my confluence, but the more important thing is really the high time frame draws on liquidity, and then the low time frame is not really much important. How much time do we have? It's 26, so let's see, we have a few more days to go. Sorry guys. We have a few more days to go. I think we'll not have time. I need to go to market open in like 2 minutes, so I'll probably do this session and then make another pause on the video, and then I'll come back after market open, after I finish our market recap, and post this video afterwards. So yeah. Oh, market is looking so ugly, bro. Like, what is this shit? What is this shit about? I don't even know. I'm bullish without looking at much. I'm bullish. Holy shit, what the fuck is this shit? In one unbelievable. In one index I'm bullish, in another I'm actually bearish. Maybe not. Yeah, I am. We are creating a mega bearish S&T, a mega bullish S&T. Bro, my head already hurts from backtesting. No, I'm joking. I'm not that bad. Okay, so we sweep out these 1 hour lows, right on opening, so these 1 hour lows down here, boom, fuck, draining, boom. Let's get to the Nasdaq, let's see what happens, what's happening. Whoa, we create like we're creating a mega bullish S&T, bro. Monday 18. Where is Monday, bro? Where the fuck is Monday? Monday 24th, okay. Is this one? No fucking way. Bro, look at this bullish S&T we are creating, bro. This is insane work, to be honest. I don't even know if I should worry too much about it or not. But yeah, let's look at the draws that we have. I'm still bullish, honestly. Because of these draws, I'm still bullish. Like all these draws we are seeing right here, they have already been swept on and Nasdaq, so pretty much we are bullish, and we are like hyper mega bullish. Oh wait a second, what the fuck am I saying? This is not an S&T. This is an S&T probably, not this. This is the sign of me wanting to need a pause. So Wednesday 26 is right here, so we do not sweep them out. What about Monday 24th 18? Yeah, it's correct. Okay, it's correct. Yeah, I can pick Wednesday right here. Yeah. So what's going to create a bullish S&P? That's what you need to know. Yeah. I'm so tired of this. This is the lagging index. I'll trade the leading one. Yeah, let's go through it. Honestly, fuck it. Let's go through it. So I don't even know when market opens anymore. I'm so lost. Market opens right here. So holy shit, bro. What the fuck is happening? Oh, my jaws got swept. I was analyzing for nothing. Okay, so we have this still relative equalizer that I want to target. Let's see Nasdaq. Yep, pretty much the same thing. Even though we are lower, so really the risk to reward ratio is better here. But let's see what we can get really. Market open. I would like to see these lows get swept, but there's no way in hell that will happen. Okay, this is kind of interesting. Let's see. Okay, this is mega interesting here because we are feeling the order block right here. Right here we are feeling order block. We're also feeling breaker block right here. Boom. We are going to do 1 minute. We are feeling, of course, 5 minute equilibrium. We got the breaker structure. Honestly, if we break structure on these candles as well, I'm willing to enter. Yeah. Why these breakup structures are not enough? Because we had still these breakup structures to get it. That's why I did not enter, and I'm glad I did not enter because we will have got stopped out by big time. Okay, let's check 1 hour. What are we targeting? Still bullish, bro. I'm still bullish, and now I'm more bullish than ever, to be honest. I would have entered already, but let's wait at 5 minutes confirmation. So 5 minutes at least. Equilibrium getting filled. Yeah, I should have entered right here. We get the breakup structure, we get the retracement into fair value gap. I would have entered, to be honest. Target these highs, boom. That's basically it. And these highs were swept as well. Nice trade. I would have taken it, honestly. I did not saw, that's why I did not enter. And once I saw it, it was already too late. We are already too much up. But basically, we got a breakup structure right here. This is also the leading index, which was what I was aiming for. We got a breakup structure right here. Then we got a retracement into 1 minute fair value gap, boom. And this is super beautiful because we got a breakup structure again right here on this candle. Enter my bitch, boom, stop loss. You can put it below these lows, you can put below this fair value gap. Lows, I would honestly put it below these lows. And then targets, we have all these highs right here, boom. And I actually moved my stop loss. No, okay. So all these highs right here, boom, and then these highs right here, boom. But honestly, this is more realistic approach. 1 to 3 0 ratio. Back on trade. 3 days to go. I need to go to market open right now, so yeah, I'll do the rest of the video once I come back. So guys, see you soon. Okay, we are back for the last part of the backtesting video. Let's go. 5 days remaining, 6 days actually. This is our start so far. We are pretty much break even on this part of the video. Let's see what they can do. 5 days to go. I've already traded, and I'll drop the trade recap after this session is done. So yeah, once the trade recap is done. So yeah, this is trading. Let's see what I get from this oil gap. Let's just check the horizontal liquidity on both. Not going to trade today, honestly. Let's skip. Yeah, this is why. Just consolidation, Nightman. We get a bullish SMT out of these highs. I can show you guys on ES, so not really much of a reason to trade. I don't know how long this video will be actually. I think it will be pretty damn long, but I don't really care about that. You know, let's get it done. I think this is the penultimate day. It's 28th of October. Yeah, hopefully guys are enjoying this video. Sorry for not talking much, just concentrated a bit. Okay, so we are downtrend, we see these lows, okay, yes. We create a bullshit SMT out of it, bro. Are we? Kinda are. Let's go to 1 hour, let's check the agents, the session highs and lows, the daily profiles as well. For the day, we have these early highs, we swept them out, damn. We have these early highs, damn bro. Boom, these early highs, boom. To the downside, we have more achievable draws, to be honest. We have this, but it's high resistance as well. We are fucked, bro. I don't know the bias. I don't know. Honestly, don't know the bias for today. Is this a bullish SMT or the equal lows? If there are equal lows, then I'm good. Relative equal lows. Nice. I'm bearish. 1,000,000% bearish. And what pair do I want to trade? Both. Both are good. I'm trading whatever gives me the entry first. But basically, my mentality going into the market is we sweep out 1 hour high. Actually, this is actually as well as Asian session high. Fuck, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. The Asian session high. So we are expecting some kind of a retracement down, which we are getting right now. Now I'm waiting for kind of manipulation to get back into or a block, break a block, whatever. So let's really wait for market open and see what it will do. Sweep out, nice. This sweeps it out even more. We sweep out these highs, these highs, these highs. Whoa, so much highs. Let's see the daily profile really. Manipulation reversal, maybe continuation. Up to these equal highs, that will be good. Yeah, we have low resistance, the drawn liquidity up at the also up there. So damn, we don't get an entry though. This could be an entry. Okay, this could be an entry. We just went into this 5-minute travel gap. Super risky though. I wouldn't enter this bitch. No way, bro. Ugh. This looks ugly. This looks mega ugly, but yeah. That will have been an entry, you know, entry into a 5-minute travel gap, then you enter a break of structure, reversal gap, whatever. That will be a good entry, but I wouldn't have entered. That looked ugly, to be honest. I will, yeah, but it is what it is. Then the next shorts will be swept as well, probably. Yep. Nice. Nice. Let's go next day. Monday. It's, I think, the last day of the month. Wake up. It's the last of the month. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I hate this shit so much, bro. You put the day, and then you change it, and you cannot change it. It's, like, fixed. Let's check the news. Last day, so let's full body bit. Joking. United States. Apply. No news. RIP. We cannot full port. But yeah. Let's see what we get. Last day of news. Wait, let's just close the journal. Last day of news. Yeah, just, you know, I'll talk a little bit in the end maybe. Or in another video. Just, you know, about psychology. But I don't have very much time to talk about it, to be honest. So maybe during the weekend. I'm not even home during the weekend, so I'm not sure. Maybe never. I'm joking. I need a psychology video to get out for you guys. That's super important. I can already see the bearish SMTs forming. These eyes and these eyes. Boom. We do not sweep them out, but we sweep. We have like these bearish SMT forming. This Time Frame bearish SMT, which just formed. I'm bearish just because of this bearish SMT. I want to feel more of this parallel gap. I want to feel more of the things. Let's see the daily profile as well. 8 a.m. So consolidation pretty much. Asian session. What is this? Yeah, pretty much consolidation. So I wanted to be bullish, bro, to be honest, because of the results. And we're feeling 4 hour parallel gap, so I'm not so sure. If we'll go lower to sweep out those lows, but I'll see. We are feeling this 1 hour parallel gap as well, so good thing would be reaction up before we actually made the move down. That will be mega. Let's check. I'm not even sure what we're going to do. That's a biscuit. Maybe we can enter. Maybe. We'll have an entry. This is already at the time I don't want to trade, but the only trade that I see here is we are feeling for alpha gap, then I'm waiting for confirmation around confluences, and basically that's pretty much it. And we are targeting at least these highs, but like, there's not much really, to be honest. This is more a day to be out of the markets, rather than be in markets. What do you see here? Pretty much similar bullshit, but a little bit cleaner, so this is a little bit better for me. I can go through it. We are feeling not 1 hour favela gap, but we are feeling this big ass imbalance, this big ass 4 hour favela gap right here. Boom. we are filling it right away to equilibrium. Then really, I don't like to look at 1 minute confirmation just out of fair value gap, because our strategy is based on not on fair value gap. It's based on liquidity, so highs and lows, not fair value gap itself. So I wouldn't be looking at the 1 minute, but I don't think there was too much of an entry. I was seeing here an entry, but that out of inverse fair value gap, but I don't think, is this an inverse fair value gap? Yes, it is. Okay, nice. Okay, so we get this tiny ass inverse fair value gap inverse, then we get a retracement into a fair value gap, boom, right here. Actually, we get that prior to these confluences, but it's pre-market, so I don't know if I should consider it. But we have breakout structure right here. Then we have retracement into equilibrium of 5 minutes confluences. Not only that, we have retracement into this. Not really much more, to be honest, but yeah, not really much more. We have a retracement into equilibrium, we have retracement into order block, boom, right here, the move down that caused the liquidity sweep, it's border block, boom, the move prior that caused the liquidity sweep, it's breaker block, right here, this move up prior to liquidity sweep. We don't have any fair value gap entry, go to the 1 minute, this is right on market open, to be honest. We're waiting for breakout structure in the fair value gap or 79% extension to be disrespected. We get a breakout structure right here, boom, enter on that bitch, boom, stop loss below these lows, boom, right here, and then take profit wherever you want to be. I'll be aiming personally for 5 minute highs as first draw on liquidity. So these 5 minute highs will be my first take profit, 1 to 3 ratio, and then right here these highs, which are high, the last of the low resistance liquidity. You know, we have these highs, these highs, these highs. This is our low time frame low resistance liquidity, which we can target. These highs, these highs, these highs, boom, boom, boom. So yeah, we can target that. So 1 to 4, and then we have also these and these and these and these. So I'll target all those 1 to 6 ratio, and then I'll target these highs as last take profits, 1 to 9 ratio, 1 to 10 in this case. But yeah, just no trades now. Just no trades. There was this trade, but again, like not really the way that I trade out of fair value gaps. But of course, as it was 5 minute confluences, maybe. But yeah, let's see if I can trade day 1. I don't think I'll be able to. Okay, maybe we will. Nice. I don't think we will though. I think we'll lead to the limiter. Yeah, fuck. It's a shame. It's a shame. So we pretty much break even. Like we got first week, which were 3.8k up. Then we did some mistakes. We are 3.9k up, then down, and now we were up 3.8k. So pretty much we were break even after the second half of the month or third half. A lot of mistakes, as you guys saw. A lot of break even trades that I did mistake. A lot of stops. Again, like one trade that I will get lucky, one of those trades like 1 to 4, 1 to 5 that you guys saw would have made me way more positive on the account. But again, this is backtesting. You learn from mistakes you learn. 21 trades, 47% win rate, so not the best. Average win rate is not too bad, 1 to 5. It's pretty much what I trade. Ideal, of course, much higher. So again, I should keep my wins more. 10 losses, 9 winners. Again, risking 1%, as you guys saw. That is pretty much it. We can check the session days, which this will be fun to see. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That was the month of October 2022. Not a bad month, to be honest. Just a lot of mistakes and 7% up on the account. Not bad for a month. Again, could have been much better. You guys saw lots of mistakes. Like these losses were so stupid. Some of them were just super stupid. So yeah, it is what it is. We can improve again, and in the end, I could have placed some trades. But it is what it is. I'm not too mad about it. 3.8k up, not a bad session at all. Risking 1% again. Like realistically, when you have more of a buffer, you'll be risking 1.2%, 1.3%, 1.5%, 2% sometimes. So yeah, that is pretty much it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like. It's quite a big video. Let me just. So right here, as you can see, these are the stats for the day. So first day, $1,000 win. The second day, $1,000 win. We lost 300. Low risk trade, break even 1,000, lost 500, lost 2,000, lost 2 trades, 700, lost 1 trade. Again, pretty clear month, to be honest. Not too bad. Almost trading every single day. Like this week, trading every single day. But then there are days, again, like these 2 days I should have traded as well. So yeah, almost every single day. So this was quite a good month for trading. Normally it's not that way. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you make sure to leave a like, and yeah, see you guys on the next one. This is quite a big video, so if you stuck to the end, yeah, thank you for that. So yeah, see you guys on the next video.